Europe is technically not a continent. Its separation from Asia was actually a Greek idea to name the two sides of the Hellespont, now the Dardanelles. Bulgaria is the oldest country in Europe and it hasn't changed its name since 681 AD. London's underground escalators travel a distance equal to 2 trips around the world each week. Berlin has more doner kebab places than Istanbul. Brussels Airport sells more chocolate than anywhere else in the world. The Loch Ness Monster generates €7 million per year in tourism. The first ever cycle path was built in Utrecht in 1885. The British Museum just displays 1% of its whole collection. Iceland has no mosquitoes at all. The Dark Ages in Europe lasted for twice as long as the United States has been a nation. Russia has over 13,000 uninhabited villages and it takes up 40% of Europe's land area. Italians don't drink cappuccino after 11 a.m. Greenland is the biggest island in the world. Per capita, Sweden has the most McDonald's in Europe. The longest town name in Europe is Llanfairpwll Gwyngelgogerich Werndrabol Llantysilio Gogogok in Wales. Liechtenstein is a very small country. During its last military engagement in 1866 they sent out 80 soldiers and came back with 81. Apparently they made a friend in Italy. The Sagrada Familia Church in Barcelona is taking longer to build than the pyramids. It was started in 1882 and no, it is not done yet. The most visited place in Europe is Disneyland, Paris. Europe is named after the Phoenician princess Europa of Greek mythology who was seduced by Zeus disguised as a bull. Europe covers 3.93 million square miles, which is roughly 8% of the Earth's surface. The whole of Europe is only 2% larger in area than Canada. The highest toilet in Europe is on Mont Blanc at over 4,200 meters. The small country of Belgium has the world's densest rail network, 113.8 km/1,000 km2.